What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. How to make $400 in one day. How to make $400 in one single day. Now you're probably thinking, oh, you get paid $50 an hour, you work 8 hours? Nope. Oh, you scamming. Oh, you this and that? Nope. 400 in one day. It is 12:25, and I've already made this $400 in a day. In fact, that's in the morning or in the afternoon as well. Now the reason I'm making this video is just because I've just been credited with the money and I thought, wow, this day has been great so far. I need to make a video about it. So how did it start? Well, I've been up for around 7 hours now. Went to the gym early in the morning. Got there at 5:30. Did my workout, felt good. Came out of the gym refreshed. Started my day off right. Got up early, got things done. Started the day right. Went into work, my regular job, and because I get paid on how many hours I work per day, well, actually not directly how many hours. The amount of money per day is the same. It doesn't matter how many hours you work. So it's similar to this situation I talked about yesterday. But anyway, so I got my paid $100 for working today. And you're probably thinking, but it's only noon. How have you been paid already? Well, think about this. There was a situation and there was no water supply in the whole area. So legally we were not allowed to stay there. We got sent home, got paid a whole day's worth of work, and I was only there for 2 hours. So if you want, you can call it $50 an hour for today, but I said 2 hours, $100. That's how you start your day. But what's even better, during that period of 2 hours, I got a sale. What am I selling? Watches. Check out timegearwatches.com if you've not seen it. Link in the description. You can also sign up to get money from them. But I made a sale. $95. Again, that's money. That's passive income. I didn't have to do anything. By 11 a.m., I made $195. Just like that. And now you're wondering why I made that video yesterday. I didn't know this was going to happen today, but it did happen. And now you see the importance of getting paid based on results. But doesn't stop there. There's more to it. So, as you know, yesterday I had a customer, charged my own fee per hour. That customer's coming back today for a session, and they're bringing 2 more people with them. All those 3 people are paying $35 an hour for my service for 2 hours. Do the math. That's $210. What's the 210 plus 195? That's $405. And again, it's not even 12:30 yet. And I've received all that money because for my customers, they pay in advance before they've had the service. So it's before 12:30, I've made $405 a day. And guess what? That's why I made a video on getting paid based on results. I didn't just make it to talk. I actually do it, and now you've seen it happen. Now you've seen it live in the flesh. Obviously, I've not trained the boys yet, but I'm going to today. But I've already received the money. And again, like I said, that's why I made this video straight away. When I saw another money, another deposit, I was like, I've got to make a video on this, because today I'm just making money and got a lot of free time with it. Wouldn't it be nice to do that every single day, constantly? Get more watch sales, get more customers, not having to work a 9 to 5 at all, not having to rely on anyone else, a boss, colleagues, anyone else. It will be amazing. That's the life you want to live. But like I said, it doesn't come without learning, sacrifice, overcoming obstacles. You've got to be focused. You've got to have the source of income. I just gave you 3 sources of income, all from one day. Some people don't even create 3 sources of income in a lifetime. I've done it in one day. If you guys don't understand the importance of multiple sources of income, you won't succeed. You won't get to the wealth you want to get to. You need to get this money. Obviously, it's been a great day for me so far, and it's just begun. See if I can get more. I'll keep you guys updated. But the main, point about this video is there are ways to get more money per day than just from one source of income. There are many ways. 400 is not even a lot. I'm happy with the 400 today. It's not the most I've ever made in a day. It might sound a lot. It's not a lot. for 1 day's worth of work. Some people make 400 an hour. Look, I made it in 3 hours. So technically, some people could double that. If I could do that, hour to hour, I could make, who knows, 1,200, 1,600 within a day's worth of work. You never know. It's up to you how many people you take on as customers, how many sales you can make from products, how many hours you work doing something for someone. It's up to you. So obviously, today's been good, like I said. Check out yesterday's video about getting paid based on results, because that's what's happened to me today. So that video is obviously important so you understand this video more. Be here for tomorrow's video, guys. I've got more money to be making. See you tomorrow for another video. Peace.